Acer palmatum Kuro Hime, Black Princess. That's the common name, supposedly. It's a dwarf maple. Maximum height is about 6 feet. So it's a very well contained, as my friend Ridge Goodwin would say, very well behaved plant. You can see the foliage just emerging. So you have a little bit of red on the margins. Oftentimes that maintains. Again, I talk about dynamic plants because the new growth comes out sort of a off wine color. I don't know what you want to call it, but played up against the green foliage, it's fairly attractive. Really, really great plant for tight spaces. Fall color is a rubyish red. Again, well-drained soil, probably benefit most from full sun, but it's not going to get very large. I mean, 6 by 6 might be about it. There's one on a higher standard, so you can get different, the way it's grown, you can get different forms of it. So Kuro Hime, again, a very tight space plant. And again, I love dynamic plants, so as the new foliage comes out, you get this different color, sort of a burgundy-ish new growth that plays up against the green foliage. In the summer, like most colorful maples, in the summer, green tends to take over because of the chlorophyll, but in the fall, it shines again. Acer palmatum Kuro Hime.